Morning, guys. Follow the yellow tin van just at Red Rock. Just gonna go check it out. So yeah, it's still raining. It's been raining for the last 3 days. Alright. Alright, so as you come into the town, on your right, you've got the Red Rock Bowls Club. And guess what else you've got? This is pretty funny, I reckon. Look at that. You got the Red Walk. Red Walk, Chinese Red Walk. Alright, there's the bowling green. Alright, cool. Alright, so we're just cruising down the main street here. Come to the old Red Rock River. It's a good looking river, this one, I'll tell you. So boat ramps to the left, guys, down that way. And the caravan park, we'll go show you the caravan park. I just seen the name of the caravan park. It's got reflections as well. They must be all linked, are they? I don't know. Alright, so this is Red Rock Caravan Park. Not as busy as what it normally is. I've been here a few times and it's normally packed. Got a couple of cabins down this way. Alright, so that's the Red Rock Caravan Park.